Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is when you guys are seeing it. It's going to be Friday, August the 26th. Yes, 26th of 2022, and I'm coming at you guys from Walmart with our Weekend Warrior deals video. We got some really good deals to talk about. We do have some freebies, and we have some new awesome, really good rebate deals with Ibotta and Shopkick and Fetch Rewards. We're going to focus on those specifically today. There's some really great rebates that popped up, and so I'm really stoked to share all of them with you guys in this video. So I do want to say, always be aware, double check that you have a rebate before going out and doing it. Rebates are sadly subject to go away at any time. They could lower value, things like that. I always get people telling me, oh, I don't have this, oh, this is gone. And it does suck. I totally get that. But when I film this, at the time when I'm able to film this and edit this and get this up, and by the time like you guys see it, literally things can change in a minute. So always be aware that sometimes that could happen. Just double check. Most deals should still be there, but just double check before doing it. Okay, so printable breakdown is in the description box. You can print it out, bring it with you, or view it on your phone. And also, if you're not already signed up for these rebate apps like Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, Swagbucks, all the apps, you are missing out. I will have my referral codes down below to get on there. So yeah, guys, that's kind of all I got to say here in the beginning. Let's just dive right in with our Walmart. All right, so we have an awesome coupon still from this last week's paper, the 821 Smart Source. I guess it wasn't this last week, it was this current week, but whatever. From this last paper for a free Airwick warmer. 821 Smart Source. You can literally just come in, pick this up for $198, use that free coupon, and walk out getting this for free, just paying your sales tax. So awesome deal. All right, guys, so this one is a repeat. I know we've had some repeats of this lately, and I've been mentioning it because it just keeps resetting, which is super awesome. But it's on the Curad self-adherent wrap, so it's $1.97. Shopkick right now between Bite and SkinKicks has $2.48 back when you buy this item. It's actually going to make this guy totally free, and you're going to make, like, what is that, like 49 cents? 49 cents? 51 cents? Something like that. It's a really great deal. So, yeah, awesome. If you'd rather get the Band-Aids, they're $2.97, so after getting that $2.48 back, these would be next to nothing too. But if you're wanting a moneymaker, that's the way to go. So, awesome deal. All right, so we have an awesome deal on the HU grain-free cookies. They are at Walmart. I don't think my store carries them, sadly, or I'd show them to you. I think they'd be in this general area. But they are $4.28 each. Go ahead and buy 2 of them. There's a rebate on Ibotta right now for $4.28 back if you buy 2, which is awesome. So that's like buy one, get one free. So you're left at $4.28 for both. But then Fetch Rewards has a rebate for 4,000 points back when you buy 2. So it'll make them 28 cents for both, or 14 cents each, which is amazing. Awesome deal if you can find those. All right, so we got some deals today on Purex Laundry products. So the first one is actually, it's on these Purex pods. My store sadly does not carry the 21 count. But those are by far the best deal. So they're $3.47 for the 21 count Purex. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back, and we have a rebate on Shopkick for $2.26 back between Bite and SkinKicks. So literally make a bag of them 21 cents. Amazing. Then we have the 70 count here, this huge 70 count, $8.47. We have a $3 rebate on Ibotta, and on Shopkick between Bite and SkinKicks, you get back $3.26. So it'll just make this guy like $2.21 for 70 of the pods. Amazing price. All right, so I wanted to remind you guys of the Snuggle deal we still have going. So these Snuggle dryer sheets, the 40 count, are $1.97 at Walmart. And we do have $1.50 off of one coupon for any Snuggle product from the 821 save. So after you use that, it'll make this guy just 47 cents, which is pretty sweet. Alright guys, we have a great deal on the Mentos today. So the Mentos here at Walmart are $1.32. Shopkick has a rebate for 96 cents back on this. So it's going to literally make this only 36 cents. You can get the fruit kind or the original. Awesome deal. So we have a really good deal on the Palmolive Shake and Clean starter kits here. So these have just recently gone up in price to $2.98. but they're $2.98 now. We don't have any coupons, but we do have a rebate on Shopkick. So you can buy it in SkinKicks. So you buy the product and then you do the SkinKicks in store. You're gonna get back $2.08. So your final cost for this will be 90 cents. So it's actually not too bad of a deal. There is a swag bucks available, but you can't combine the two per the swag bucks terms of use, sadly. So, but still 90 cents is a really good price. Remind you guys of the St. Joseph's Aspirin deal at Walmart. This is $4.42. We still have that awesome $2 coupon from the 821 Smart Source. So use that coupon, you're gonna pay $2.42. Ibotta has a $1.50 rebate back, making this guy 92 cents. All right, so you have a really nice deal on the Origin sparkling waters. So it's the 6-pack sparkling waters. They are $5.28 over here at Walmart. That's the everyday price. And there is a rebate on Shopkick for $4.06 back. So between buy it and SkinKicks, you'll get back $4.06. So we'll actually just make this guy $1.22 for 6 of the fancy sparkling bottled waters here. So pretty awesome deal. Alright guys, we have a pretty good deal on the Nice and Clean wipes. So these 3-pack of wipes, the Nice and Clean brand, they are $6.48. You're going to go ahead and buy 2 of these. There's an Ibotta rebate for $6.50 back when you buy 2. So you're buying 2 and getting $6.50 back. It'll actually make it $6 and, let me check my notes, $6.46 for all of them. Actually breaks down to $1.07 a pack because you're getting 6 packs of wipes here between the 2 multi-packs. Amazing, amazing deal. Because look, the great value ones are $1.62 for 48, or Equate, I guess that's the brand, but you know, the same generic. So to get the name brand ones for $1.07, awesome price. Alright, so you have a decent deal on the L'Oreal products here. So it's on these fancy L'Oreal Hyalurone, I think is how you say this, pumping, conditioner, and shampoo, which my store's out of that, and this spray stuff, which they're also out of. So can't exactly show you guys, but you're gonna buy 1 of the sprays at $6.97, 1 conditioner, and 1 shampoo. It has to be the specific kind, the Hyalurone or something, I don't know. Buy 1 of each of those. There's a 4 off 2 printable coupon on coupons.com you guys can grab, so you're gonna do that. And then Shopkick, between our buy it and SkinKicks, has a rebate to get back. Let's look at our notes here. You get back $7.72. We'll actually just make these $5.19 for all 3, or $1.73 each. Not the best deal, but L'Oreal has skyrocketed. This stuff used to be $3.97 and now it's $4.97, and then you're getting the spray in there too. So, you know, it's definitely not too bad of a deal. Alright, so we have an awesome deal for the Splenda Magic Baker Blend stuff here. This is kind of like a knockoff of Swerve. So it's $7.98 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $5 back if you buy this product. So it'll actually make it $2.98, which is an awesome deal because this actually is not like regular Splenda. So it's kind of misleading for them to put that. It's kind of like a knockoff of Swerve. So it kind of has the same stuff in it. So, you know, that's a pretty awesome price in comparison to those. So good deal. Alright guys, we have some really awesome deals on children's Zyrtec. So the children's Zyrtec at Walmart is $10.94. We have a $4 printable coupon currently on coupons.com. So you're going to use that. You're going to pay $6.94, but Ibotta has a $4 rebate. So it's actually just going to make this guy $2.94. $2.94 for this. Amazing, amazing price. Alright, so sadly my Walmart doesn't appear. Oh, wait, they do. Okay, good. This is the last one they have. The Fancy Feast Medleys 12 count cat foods. So these are $12.94. That's the price over here at Walmart for the 12 count. And on Shopkick, there currently is a rebate between buy it and scans. You get back $5.48. So actually just make it $7 for that whole entire pack, which is pretty awesome for the Fancy Feast Medleys. So yeah, awesome deal. So I do want to say, guys, that Walmart has an absolute ton of items on clearance because obviously summer is ending and they are starting to get the fall stuff, and believe it or not, it'll be Christmas stuff before too long. But what I'm most excited about here are all the toys on clearance. So Christmas is coming soon, And this might be a great time to pick it up because they're clearancing stuff out because they're going to get the new Christmas toys in and things. So like Coco Melon Baby Shark, these things are literally, that's over half off, and this is like 50% off. So stuff like that. And then they actually have a whole other aisle filled to the brim with toys and like dolls and all sorts of stuff. These are like knockoff American Girl. And not all of it's huge clearance, but some of it is really, really big discounted. So definitely check your stores for clearance. They even have some personal care stuff on clearance. You just never know what you'll find. So be looking at your Walmarts for good markdowns. Okay, guys, that's all I got for this Walmart deals video. I really hope you all did enjoy, and this gave you some ideas if you're chasing a weekend bonus or whatever. I hope this gave you some good ideas and good deals you can grab. And yeah, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.